Welcome back to my computer learning series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful natural sights of Indian village or greenery sites of Indian village. And today in this lecture or in this lecture the some important points related to the computer learning, we are going to discuss some important point and which is related to the C programming. So let's see what are these uh, things. So C is a general purpose high level programming language uh, developed by Ritchie and Cunningham at AT&T Bell Labs 1969 and 1969 to 1973. C has several attractive features that make it one of the most popular programming languages. C character set includes uppercase, low and lowercase alphabets, digit and several special characters all together, and these all are 93 valid characters allowed in C programming. The three primitive types of constant supported in C are integer, real, and characters. A program can access a variable only within its visibility scope. A variable is visible in the function or a statement block in which it is declared. Global variables are accessible from anywhere in program. A local variable has access precedence over global variable of same name. A C variable is an entity whose value may vary during program execution. C makes it compulsory to declare the type of any variable name that a program wishes to use in a program before using it. The basic data types that can be used for such declaration are int, long, short, float, double, and char. Char. Variable names must be unique in their visibility scope. There are 32 keywords, also called reserve words in C programming, which we cannot use as a variable names. Names. C has a wide range of basic operators categorized into logical, arithmetic, bitwise, data access, and miscellaneous. Operators have a precedence level and associativity that govern in what order compilers execute them. C program logic is combination of statements always found between braces called body of a function. Each statement perform each statement perform a set of operations. Simple statements are terminated by semicolon. Preprocessor directives are source code pre-processing stage where programs can provide instruction and declaration that are useful for compiler when processing the source code. They are commonly used preprocessors directives in C are has include, has define, and has if def. C provides a standard library functions for performing all input output operations. Some basic input output library functions are get che, get ch, get char, put char, put ch, scan f, print f, puts and gets. The pointer data type is a special modifier of any other data type that associates value and address of the storage to a variable name. A pointer is declared by adding an asterisk symbol after the data type declarator. An array is a collection of elements which all elements are of the same type data type. It is homogeneous, linear and contiguous memory structure. It has a fixed number of elements called its length or size given at the time of its declaration. The size parameter must be a numeric, literal or a constant. All elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory locations. For a point variable using asterisk refers to the value at memory location pointed by it. The name of the pointer variable refers to the address itself. It is possible to get the address of any variable by simple qualifying the variable with AND operator. A string is a one-dimensional array of character terminated by a null character 0. We can access individual elements of a string by using their subscript or index position, with 0 being the subscript of the first element. We can refer to the element of an array by using their subscript or index position that is monotonic in nature. The first element of an array is always denoted by subscript value of 0, increasing monotonically up to 1 less than declared size of array. A structure is a programmer defined data type made by using primary data types and other user defined data types. All elements of a structure, also called number variables, are publicly accessible. We can access each member by using dot operator. A structure has contiguous memory location. Contiguous memory location. A union is a program defined data type that refers to a memory location using several data types. Each data member begins at the same memory location. The minimum size of union variable is the size of its largest constituent data types. The switch case facilitates multi-way condition test similar to if construct when primary test object remains same across all condition tests. Each case constants expression is compared against switch integral expression. We can write a special case named default at the end, which is selected automatically if no other case statement is selected. The if group of conditional branch statements are used to implement simple one-way tests. The flow of execution depends on a logical Boolean expression. The continuous statement causes unconditional transfer to the next iteration in a for, while, or do construct. The break statement causes unconditional exit from for, while, do, or switch construct. The goto statement causes unconditional transfer to a statement marked with label within the function. The return statement causes immediate termination of the function in which it appears and transfer control to the statement that called the function. The for pre-test loop statement has three parts: initializer, incrementer, and loop condition. Initializer is executed at start of loop. Loop condition is tested before each iteration. If condition evaluates to non-zero, the next iteration occurs, otherwise the loop is terminated. Incrementer is executed at end of each iteration. The while pretest loop statement has a loop condition. Loop condition is tested before each iteration. If condition evaluates to non-zero, the next iteration occurs, otherwise the loop is terminated. Function, also called subprograms, are building blocks of a program. All functions need to be declared and defined before use. Function declaration requires function name, argument list, and return type. Function definition requires coding the body or logic of function. It is possible to declare and define a function at same time. Every C program is required to have a special function called main. This function is the entry point of the program. The do while post test loop statement has a loop condition. Loop condition is tested after each iteration. At least one iteration occurs before the condition is tested. If condition evaluates to non-zero, the next iteration occurs, otherwise the loop is terminated. So these are the important points related to the C programming language, and I think you have enjoyed this video, that is learning computer with seeing the greenery, natural, beautiful, attractive sights of Indian village or Bharatiya village. So with this I would like to end this lecture or this computer notes here. Thank you very much.